Aloha everyone, this is a video tutorial presented by Risky, Yuji Yin, and Yunfei Shi. The tutorial is based on an article, Discover the Power of Excel 2007 by Britley Adams, February 2008 on Journal of Accountancy. We're gonna talk about Microsoft Excel 2007, some functions such as Quick Access Toolbar, Conditional Formatting, more powerful charts. In addition, we're gonna talk about new function of Excel on 2010, which are spark lines and slicer filter. The Excel you're seeing is the finished products that we made. You can see here the formatting is in color, so it is for like eye appealing, and the chart is more professional. The two columns you see here is the spark lines, which I talk about like for the 2010 Excel new functions. And then this is the filter. If you click on berry, now it filters, you can see only berry over here. If you click on control, risky, you can see berry and risky are over there. Here we can see we can add a quick access toolbar. Now this toolbar we just access is the print preview toolbar, and we also I'm gonna turn the time to risky.
Okay, now I'm gonna try to show the functions that we've been applied in our finished product. And the first one is the quick access toolbar. As you can see, it's now nothing here, but if you want to add like the tools that you want to put there, what you can do is just go to file and then you go to options, and then right here you can see there's quick access toolbar, so you can click there, and then a lot of list of the tools that you can choose. And for my case, I like to print preview the spreadsheet, so I will just double click there and then it will show that it's gonna move there, so you can just click OK, and then as you can see it's there. And then there's another easy way to add this, just by clicking this arrow right there, and then you can go quick print, and then it'll show that one, the quick print. And the next one I'm gonna talk about is the formula. So what Excel 2011 can help you to be more efficient using formula. For example, I'm gonna use the formula that start with N, and as you can see there are a lot of lists with the formula started with N, and for this case I'm gonna choose the NPV, the net present value. And the cool things about Excel is you can actually like ask for help if you don't know what formula it is for. So what you can do is just click and it will show up the help and the explanation about what formula it is and how you can use it. And it also gives you the example like when you use this formula. So yeah, it's just pretty cool features that Excel 2007 offer. And the next thing is I'm going to talk about how to deal with duplicates data. For example, right here I'm just going to make a duplicate of the data, and I'm going to change the number. And yeah, like sometimes in your work you have a lot of data with a lot of duplicates number, but in Excel 2007 you can do the remove duplicates functions, which is you can just go to data and then right here remove duplicates, and then you can just click, and then what you want is just the salesperson and then the sales from January to June, and then you click OK. Let's see what happened. And it says that 5 duplicate values found and removed. Yeah, you can see like the duplicates that I made is removed because of that function. So if you have a lot of tons of data, this function is really helpful. Now I'm gonna show you how to do the chart, like how to make the chart more appealing. So what you can do is just highlight the data that you want to show on the chart, and then go to insert, and then go to column, and then the 2D column, and then as you can see, this is the data, and I'm gonna change the color and that so that it's more appealing. But as you can see, the change in cells, like the data, it's not really eye appealing. So what you can do to change it more eye appealing is just click on the one of the bar, and then you right click, and then you go to change series chart type, and then you go here, you change it to the line, and then the fourth one, and then click OK. So as you can see, it changed the data and how it look become more more appealing with the line for the changing in cells. So now I'm gonna turn time over to Barry to complete our presentation.
Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to change this table, to format it, to uh, present the data better, and to present the numerical data with graphics in the table. So what we're gonna use is we're gonna use the conditional formatting function. And first we're gonna do is we're gonna highlight all the cells with the cells numbers, and we're gonna go to conditional formatting, and we're gonna click on the toolbars. As you can see, this here it has all these different things you can see, you can choose. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to more rules, and I'm gonna choose, I don't want a solid fill, so I'm gonna choose this one. As you can see, it's gonna fill the cells with this kind of bars, and I click on OK, and as you can see, the higher numbers will have longer toolbars, so it's really more easy to understand, and when you first look at it. So another thing we're gonna add is we're gonna use another function of the conditional formatting. We're gonna use color scales. So if I click on this one, as you can see, it the cell will automatically judge the relationship between these data. So it'll put all the worst numbers in red colors and fairly okay numbers in yellow colors, and all the great numbers in green color. So it's also a better way for you to view all the numbers and to tell you the difference between those numbers. And another one formatting we can do is we can add icon sets. What we can do is, let's say we're gonna add the flags. As you can see, after adding the flags, it also shows all the relationship between all these percentages, and all these functions mentioned before are functions in already in 2007. Since we're gonna do change and update, so we're gonna show you some of the functions in the 2010. So first, you can see what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to insert. As you can see, the new functions are here. The first one is the spark lines, and another one is slicer. We're gonna show you how to use this too. As you can see, if you click on this one and you click insert a columns spark lines, it told you to choose the data range. It's just like creating a chart. So you're just gonna choose the data. Just say I'm gonna choose the data from here to here, and click on OK. and then you can see create a mini chart in this cell, and you can just drag it down and it'll create a mini chart for all the data in this table. So it's really neat function. And if you want to try another one, we can try insert. We can try insert a line, and also it's just the same thing. You just highlight the cells you want to insert, and then now just click, and then you'll have this line shows the ups and downs of this data in this row, and then you just drag it down, and then you'll have the lines for all the data in the table. And these are the new functions of 2010. It's the spark lines. Another thing I'm gonna show you is I'm gonna show you how to use a filter slicer. And what you do is first we're gonna create a private table. Insert private table. I'm gonna put in existing worksheet. I'm gonna put in here. And as you can see, I'm gonna click on all the data we have. So now these are all the data we have, and you click inside and you have this. Or another thing we can do is in 2007, starting from 2007, you can add, actually you go to design, you can add this format for your spreadsheet to make it look better. So in this case I'm gonna choose a different one, so just drag it down. I'm gonna choose this one. As you can see, the table is formatted and it looks better. And now I'm gonna show you how to insert the slicer. What you can do is just go here and go to slicer. Oh, sorry. You have to actually choose the data and first, and then click on slicer. And for example, in this case, I'm just gonna click on one column. So I'm gonna click on salesperson. As you can see, it inserts this slicer in here. What it does is, if you click on one data you want to see, then you only see this data here. If you hold Control and click on two data, it'll show you these two data from the original table. Another thing, if you want to see the original thing, just click on this bottom and it'll go back. Another thing we can do is we can actually insert a chart for this. So let's say I'm gonna do a really easy chart. I'm gonna move this around so you guys can see the charts. Okay. And as you can see, if you click on the flitter, the chart changes too. So if you go back, and you can see the chart changes as you click on the data. So that's a really neat function to present your data. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's all the function we talk about, and hope you enjoyed our video, and thanks.